In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for free without logging in. By the end of this video, you'll be able to open ChatGPT in your browser and start a conversation immediately with no account required. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, just get it fired up. Once that's done, head over to Google. This is the simplest way to swiftly reach the right site. In the Google search bar, type in ChatGPT and hit enter. As the results start populating, keep an eye on the list. You want to look for the official ChatGPT site, which is most commonly listed as chatgpt.com. Be cautious here. You might see advertisements or third-party tools mixed in, so it's best to choose the official site to ensure you get the genuine experience and the latest features available. Once you've located the official result, click on it to open the ChatGPT homepage. When the page fully loads, you should see a chat box nestled at the bottom of your screen. Here's the most exciting part. In many cases, you can start typing right away without needing to log in. This means you can explore the tool, ask questions, and get a feel for how it responds, all without the hassle of creating an account. It's worth mentioning that because you're not logged in, there might be some limitations. For instance, you may encounter a cap on how many messages you can send, or be missing features, like saved chat history and some advanced tools. However, we're going to focus on enjoying that free experience without logging in for now. So go ahead and type in a clear question or task into the message box. A great example to start with is, "Help me understand algebra step by step." That kind of prompt works particularly well because it tells ChatGPT exactly what topic you want to explore and in what format you prefer the information. From this, you can expect a well-structured explanation complete with definitions, examples, and a logical flow. And if at any point that explanation goes a bit too fast for you, don't hesitate to follow up with something like, "Go slower and include a simple practice problem." ChatGPT is designed to adjust based on your requests. Another fantastic way to test out ChatGPT is through learning and testing prompts. You might want to try typing something like, "Quiz me on world history." Feel free to specify an era, challenge it with a difficulty level, or even ask for a particular number of questions to better tailor the experience to your needs. If you prefer to keep it more manageable, you can say, "Ask me one question at a time and wait for my answer." Now here are a few quick tips to help you get even better results. Being specific about your goal is key. If you have certain constraints, like a time limit or a specific level in mind, make sure to include them. And a friendly reminder, avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information in your prompts. In case a response isn't quite hitting the mark, make sure to clarify what you need. Just ask for a revision, and ChatGPT can adjust accordingly. That's really all there is to it. You've now successfully visited Google, searched for ChatGPT, clicked on the official site, and started chatting, all without having to log in. Try your own topics, refine those prompts, and see just how much you can learn. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using ChatGPT and other awesome tools. Thanks for sticking with me, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.